Hey guys, sorry I haven't been uploading like these few months or years. It's because I just got my phone and my recorder. That's why. Okay, we're gonna read this app called Episode, and we're gonna see the story of the secret of rain. Okay, let's read this story. How you hold him up back there, Rain? Come on, Rain. I just know you're just wearing those headphones to prevent people from talking to you. You're not actually listening to any music, are you? You can hear everything I'm saying. I'm doing okay. Thanks. You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Because you don't seem... Dude, if you don't know if you know why I'm here wearing these headphones, why aren't you respecting my wishes? Because it's antisocial and kind of rude. Well, yeah, it is kind of rude. Don't you want to make a good expression this evening? Well, it was evening, and right now it's right now. So respect the wishes, dude. Your new parents are probably waiting excitedly to meet you. Well, yeah, they are. The mom or dad. I think it's going to the mom. Because moms are more emotional than dads. Actually, that's true. Their names are Bill and Carol, by the way. Cool. Cool. That's it. Look, Darren. I'm not sure what you want me to say. They're just going to be like the same parents I had every year I had. They're going to be so excited welcoming to their home, and then a year or two, they'll say they can't connect with me. That I'm cold and distant. Okay, I don't know what distant means, but cold means you're mean. But you know what? In a couple of years, it won't matter. I'm 17. I'm not a child anymore. When school is over, I'll get myself a job and rent my own apartment. I'll be done with this faster code swallow. Code swallow. It's my new favorite word. You really are one of the kind, Rain. Guys, I think... Never mind. Okay, this is it. We're here. Mr. and Mrs. Appleby. I'm Darren Winkling from Federal Jail Foster Care. We spoke on the phone a couple of times last week. It's very nice to meet you in person. It's very nice to meet you, sir. Is she here? Is she here? I can't see her. Excuse my wife's bluntness. We're just going so excited to meet our new daughter, aren't we, honey? I'm so excited I'm about to faint. Well, you don't need to wait any longer, folks. Rain, come on. Get out of the car. Mr. and Mrs. Appleby, I would like to introduce you to your new daughter, Rain Robertson. Hey! Wow, that's some strikingly blue hair you have, Rain. In the photo we were given, you had lovely brown hair. I'm going for an anime look. An animal look? Oh, no, anime. What kind of animal? No, there's no animals that have blue. Only, I think butterflies have their wings blue a little bit. Yeah, only those. No anime. Anime. You know, Sword Art Online, Attack on the Titan, Fullmetal Alchemist, Pokemon. Okay, they're living in the short world if they don't know animes. Everyone knows Pokemon. You might as well be speaking Japanese. I can if you want me to. Learning from watching anime, actually. Okay, I watch anime and I don't learn. Okay. Hajime Sheet. Wait, does she know the translating? Okay. Watashi wa rendesu. How about we get you inside? That sounds like an excellent idea. Go ahead, Rain. Have fun, you guys. I'll be in touch next week to see how everything is going. We can't wait to show you the house, can we, love? We certainly can't. You're going to love your new bedroom. Follow us. Would you care to take those headphones off, Rain? Okay. Follow me upstairs, honey. I'll show you your room. I'm so excited for you to see it. Ta-da! What do you think? It's very pink. Of course it is. Us girlies love pink, don't we? No, not all girls, some of them. I guess. Anyway, that's enough about the bedroom. Back to your hair. Your beautiful blue hair is that permanent as I want to be. I was thinking of trying Goblin Green next. Goblin Green, oh my. It'll be cool, right? It'll be super, cool. We are on the same wavelength. Really? Yes, we're gonna get a house on fire. I just know it. Okay, I don't understand what she's saying, but okay, yes we are. Okay, I think so. I think it's time I left you alone to get an early night. You got school first thing in tomorrow. I've put your brand new uniform in your wardrobe. It'll be so exciting for you. Well, this is my 5th school in 6 years. You kind of become detached from the experience, to be honest. Yeah, oh yes, of course. Well, good night, sweetheart. Good night. No, you can call me Mom if you like. No thanks. Oh, of course, it's just for that. Is it? No, I never want to call her my mom. Sorry, I'm rude. Sorry. Forgive me, Ray. I'm just not used to this. That's all. It's fine. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Yep. I feel sad now. Wow, these guys are really happy to have me. I guess I should try to be a little less rude to them. Maybe they can have kids for some reason. But why would they adopt a 17-year-old girl? Why not take one of the private school kids and have full parent experience? Anyway, I better get my peaches and jump to my bed. I should close the curtains first. I don't want that pigeon perving on me. Ah, that's better, my trusty cupcake jams. No matter where I am, I can always rely on you. Time to hit the stack. I hope this bed is covered in the ones and feather gel. Hey, what do you know? It's actually pretty soft. The following morning. Man, I'm still shattered. Maybe this will wake me up. Nope, not really. Better get my new uniform on. I guess it's okay, but I look so much better with headphones. Yeah, but way better. God, I hope nobody tries to talk to me. It's always so awkward. I've only got 2 years here and then I'm done with school forever. I can ignore everyone for 2 years, right? Oh man, I see a girl staring right at me. I'll pretend I'm messaging someone. That always works. Psst. Guys, check out the new girl with blue hair. We should totally say hello. Hello. Hiya. I'm Emily Jenkins. And this is Scarlett Smith and Freya Nolan.
Yo me fui nomás 2 días, fui ir el miércoles.
Okay, nice to meet you all. I'm Rain Riverton. Rain? Wow, what a cool name. Which school have you come from? I don't think you know. It was in Bindenford. Oh, you're not from Dell? Nah, I just moved here. Your mom and dad dragged you here, did they? Something like that. Well, welcome to Perteringham High anyway. Thanks. Anything I should know about the place? Only that we have the hottest boys in here. Scarlett's right, there are so many cuties. There's Josh, Chad, and Danny. Oh, and Carter, Caleb, and Tyrone. And then, of course, we have Leon. Guys, this is the end of the episode. So, I'll see you here tomorrow. No, not today. Today I'll make more episodes, but yeah. Bye.